everyone, welcome back to my channel and Happy New Year 2025. So I'm hoping that this video gives you motivation to just start. Just start exercising, just start cleaning, just start planning, just start doing whatever you want to do for the new year that will help you become a better you. So I'm trying to get back into my fitness routine. I had surgery on my foot last year. And so I'm trying to get back into it, and it's hard because I want to do it perfectly, but I just have to remember that something is better than nothing. So just do what you can, just do something. So our family loves smoothies, not just in the summer, but throughout the whole entire year. I have a son that actually drinks like multiple smoothies every single day. So I was really excited to try this blender. I had a company reach out to me and wanted me to try this blender, so I'm really excited about it. In the box that you'll receive with the blender is a full recipe booklet. There's multiple recipes in here for smoothies, for fruit juice, for hummus, salsa. You can make baby food. You can make anything that you can think of that you would put in a smoothie. This thing is a powerhouse. What I love when I first opened it is the bottom has suction cups, and none of my other smoothie makers have that. So I love that you can put it on the countertop. It's not going to move anywhere. It's not going to tip over. It stays in place. Also, the top has a screw top lid, so you know you're not going to get any leaks or spills. You can throw it into a gym bag. If it tips over, it's not going to leak. Also, it has 2 extra blades so that it mixes really, really well. So I'm going to show you this mixed berry smoothie. It has blackberries, raspberries, strawberries, ice, and it also has Greek yogurt and honey. Another feature that I love about this blender is that you can pulse it. So you just push it down and pulse, and you can kind of control how much you want it blended, or you can push it down and lock it into place and it will continuously blend. So this is great. So if you like salsa that's a little bit more chunky, you just kind of pulse it until you get it exactly where you want it to be. Also, one of my favorite things is less dishes. So normally you'd make your smoothie and you'd pour it into a separate cup and you'd go. With this blender, you just switch the lid and you just use the same cup, which I love, less dishes. So you just put the lid on, make sure that the top is screwed on, and then you won't get any leaks. It's leak proof. You could put it in a gym bag. You can throw it in your car. If it tips over, it's not going to leak. It's one of my favorite features. So I love this blender, and I'll have a link in the description box down below. It's under $80. I got so behind on my laundry over the holidays, so I'm going to be working on that today, try to get caught back up. But I swear, no matter what you do, you think you're caught up with your laundry, and then by nighttime, everybody takes their clothes off, brings them to the laundry room, and you have a whole new load that you've got to do. So I swear it's never caught up. But anyway, we'll just do our best. To feel something different,
here. You know it still hurts a little bit, but not that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I've been thinking about you all the time, but that's alright. I'm starting to get used to it, think I'll survive. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the to do. I'm just staring at my walls and talking to myself. Now and then I'll try to laugh, but I'll cry a bit as well. I was never any good at being away from you. I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold. Said we loved one another, guess that we were wrong. I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the that much. 'Cause if you want somebody else, who am I to judge? I met you in the
It never fails. Every single time I do dishes, my shirt ends up looking just like this. Every single time.
I met you in the summer, our love was out of control. I've been going crazy without you, I'm so alone. I met you in the
Wake up 2 p.m. I don't know where we are. Looks like a cheap motel with our clothes on the floor. I don't know how we ended up here. And we've been flying high. Are we going too far? I got no cash left and I'm losing my job over you. But I don't care about that. But I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. Yeah, 'cause no one knows if we're just jumping out the window, try to cling on to it. You got me holding on to something I know it can burn me down, but I don't care about it. 'Cause I got you close and kinda hoping that one day we'll get the rhythm of it. I've been chasing you like the tail of a dog. I don't get no sleep when we kiss in the dark like we do. I just love the way it feels. Yeah, I know it's bad, but I can't resist. When I look in your eyes, I don't know what is real. All I know is that I could go anywhere, anywhere.
guess I take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, we are drunk and the music's loud. I forget that we're done, that you're back with your girlfriend now. For a minute, I'm back where we started, in that hallway. We couldn't keep our hands away from each other. Did you ever tell her I have to sleep in the bed I made? I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want, to what we want, to what we want, to what we want. There's a party downtown, I really hope that you're coming by. You always pick me up and let me down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. Damned if we do, damned if we don't, damned if we give in what we want. And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing.
I'm not deep cleaning the bathrooms today. All I'm doing is a quick wipe down of the toilet and the sinks and the countertop. So sometimes I have a perfectionist mind and I'm like, oh, if it's not going to be perfect, then I can't do it unless it's perfect. No, just like you have to get over that mindset. Progress over perfection. A clean sink and a clean toilet is better than not doing anything because you don't have time to clean everything from top to bottom and dust and scrub the shower and the tub and the floors and the cabinets. Just do something. Progress over perfection.
So be patient with me, I'll be right. Somehow I must be somewhere the sky is blue. I'm too tired to sleep, too tired to do anything else than doing nothing. I'm too tired to rest, too tired.
So this is my family's calendar. So we put everything on here, any reminder, any activities that our kids have, we put it on this calendar so that it's right out in the open and everyone knows what we have going on for that month. And then I have my own personal planner that I fill everything out in. And every Sunday night, we kind of have a little family meeting and figure out what we're doing for that week, what's coming up. And we fill out all of the calendars and make sure that everybody's kind of on track and knows what we're doing for that month.
Warm embrace. My bed feels like heaven. I lose track of
Let me know in the comments down below, what's one thing you're going to work on just today? Progress over perfection? Just start little. I appreciate you guys for being here. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.
Somewhere the sky is blue.